Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Only 24 hours after we had our Patch Tuesday, an interesting report came out, a blog post by a security researcher. He's known as Chaotic Eclipse or Nightmare Eclipse, and it's a flaw that has to do with BitLocker. So what happens is that if you are using BitLocker to encrypt your files, there's a bypass to that can happen through proof of concept that has been developed. The vulnerabilities, two of them one is called YellowKey and the other one is GreenPlasma. And what happens is that with that and the insertion of some files in the Windows recovery environment, that famous Windows recovery environment that a lot of people had a hard time with some of the updates. If you drop some specific files in there and boot, you can actually bypass the security around the BitLocker and whatever you do. And even if you have TPM turned on and all, it's there's nothing that prevents you from bypassing the security, and this hits Windows 11 and Windows Server. Now, one of the interesting aspects of this is that they are not sure why it works. And so the security researcher says that Microsoft might take a little while to fix this one, because even him been trying to find out and trying different ways to do it to see if we can, fix it in some way. And he says he just doesn't understand the root cause of why it's happening. So this could take a little while for it to be fixed. Now, of course, it is something that he did show with proof of concept that it works, but has not disclosed any information on what he did. And also, as he's saying, you need to have access to the computer. It's not like it's a 0 day where just going on the internet is enough. There would need to be some access to your computer, either with somebody doing it, or maybe malware that you get could be doing it. But it seems to be really something that you have to do on the computer itself. So that, of course, lowers its importance. It doesn't make it critical. But it's an interesting thing that's been happening, and the security researcher saying that, they're not really sure what's the root cause and why it's happening and working. So this one's going to be hopefully maybe fixed for next Patch Tuesday, but it's interesting to see that we don't know why. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.